The Longshou Canal and ancient Luohe River Irrigation District of Shanxi Province are located on the terraces of WHIS-CHINA River and Luohe River. This area is plagued by frequent drought. Therefore, diverting water from the Luohe River for irrigation has been an essential means to tackle the water shortage challenge faced by local agricultural production. Luohe River, as a secondary tributary of the Yellow River, originates from the southern slope of the Baiyun Mountain in Dingbian County. Flowing through 3 cities and 11 counties, it enters WHIS-CHINA River at Sanhekou. The barrier of Tielian Mountains makes it very hard to develop and utilize the lower reaches of the Luohe River. In 120 BC, Emperor Wu of Han Dynasty took the advice of the local governor and sent more than 10,000 soldiers to construct an irrigation canal at the Laozhuang waterfall of the Luohe River in Chengcheng County. It took them more than 10 years to complete the oldest gravity irrigation project of the Luohe River Basin. The construction of the canal was extremely difficult. For instance, a 3.5-kilometer-long tunnel had to be built in the Tielian Mountain for water diversion. The digging of the tunnel was divided into multiple sections. Shafts were dug at both ends of each section, and workers were sent to the bottom of the shafts to dig toward each other. And these sections would naturally join together upon completion to form the tunnel. The shafts could serve as exits and entrances for workers, pathways for muck disposal, and openings for ventilation and daylighting. In this way, the working efficiency was greatly improved. During the construction of the tunnel, dinosaur bones were unearthed, and the ancient Chinese mistook them for dragon bones. Hence the name of Longshou Canal, or the Canal of Dragon Head. While constructing the 20-kilometer main canal, the ancient Chinese adopted the technology of intercept to cross rivers and streams. In addition, the open canals at the 2 ends of the tunnel of the Tianlian Mountain are of proper gradient, which has been the result of excellent measuring techniques. More than 2,000 years ago, the famous Chinese historian Sima Qian commented in the historical records that the construction of the Longshou Canal was the earliest application of the shaft tunnel method. This method, breaking new ground for the theory and practice of tunnel construction, has contributed greatly to the treasure trove of science and technology. As loess subsided in water, the banks of the canal collapsed frequently, and the tunnel was often blocked due to the impact of quicksand and submerged springs. In addition, the area was plagued by frequent wars. Due to these factors, the project failed to achieve sustainability. However, later generations have never stopped reconstructing the canal and utilizing Luohe River for irrigation. In 227, the Kingdom of Wei started to expand the irrigation district. The Linjin Weir was built at the downstream of the Longshou Canal. The improvement of the irrigation infrastructure turned this area into a granary, laying the foundation for the expansion of the Kingdom of Wei. In 561, Emperor Wu of Northern Zhou Dynasty ordered the reconstruction of the Longshou Canal, which had greatly improved the national strength. In 712, the local governor diverted water from Luohe River through Tongling Weir for irrigation and the alleviation of soil salinization. As a result, crop yield surged, laying the economic foundation for the Kaiyuan heyday of the Tang Dynasty. During Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, many small water diversion projects were built along the Luohe River. Most of these projects irrigated farmland by diverting spring water from wells. The inscriptions of these 2 stone tablets of the Qing dynasty describe the management system of the irrigation district, including the irrigation order, organizational structure, and the handling of disputes. The Tai Bai Temple, the Chu Li Temple, and the Ping Lu Temple, where the water god was worshipped, had grown into major sites of water-related affairs management. Today, these temples still serve as the management stations of the Irrigation District. In the late Qing Dynasty, the Fengtu Granary was built on the site of the Chengyi Granary of Han Dynasty. Known as the first granary of China, it now serves as one of the state-owned grain reserves, demonstrating the affluence and prosperity of the Irrigation District. In 1929, a famine broke out at the central Shanxi Plain. Years of drought had led to severe crop failure. To prevent it from happening again, the society reached a consensus to restore and improve local irrigation projects. In 1934, Li Yizhi, a famous Chinese hydraulic engineer, presided over the construction of the Luohe Canal based on the Longshou Canal and ancient Luohe River Irrigation District. He also named the water diverting dam of the new canal as Longshou Dam. The ancient Longshou Canal was once again reborn. The Luohe Canal, integrating different ancient Luohe River irrigation projects, took 14 years to complete. It has expanded the area of irrigation. Its scientific and efficient layout and management system share many similarities with the ancient Longshou Canal, proving the wisdom and superior skills of the ancient Chinese people. As a fine combination of Chinese and Western styles and technologies, the Luohe Canal has 1 dam, 2 aqueducts, and 5 tunnels. These hydraulic structures have added touches of modern technology to the ancient irrigation district, which itself embodies the mixed culture of dragon, Han, and water. Today, Luohe Canal has evolved into a large irrigation district with a complete irrigation and drainage system. It is composed of a dam, a canal network, and supporting facilities. The irrigation district, divided into 2 systems by the Luohe River, with 1 general main canal, 4 main canals, and 13 branch canals. Its 235-kilometer canal network irrigates 49,500 hectares of farmland in Chengcheng, Pucheng, and Dali counties, nourishing 690,000 people and generating remarkable biological, economic, and social benefits.